Hi guys, a lot of people are wondering how these epoxy flooring videos are made lately. In this video, I will bring a new step-by-step tutorial on the trending epoxy flooring AI videos. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Prepare images. Firstly, we want to prepare images of different procedures. One image for one procedure. I am now showing you the easy way to do it using Epoxy. I will put the official access link in the description. Click on AI Generator, then click on Text to Image. On the right panel, we want to select the latest Nano Banana Pro model as it performs well in image generation. Then enter the prompt in the box up here. If you have no idea what to write, here is a tip. Go to ChatGPT. Then use the prompt to ask ChatGPT to provide ideas for you. You can find the prompt in the description. ChatGPT will give you an idea with the image and video prompts for every stage. We can simply copy the prompt and use them to generate images and videos. Personally, I would recommend refining the prompts yourself, as sometimes the prompts might not meet your expectation very well. So next, I am using the refined prompt to generate images inside Epoxy. There we have the first image. It is now landscape aspect ratio. If we want to make it vertical, save it in your device. Then click on Image to Image. Import the image we just saved. Then import another vertical image as reference. Write the prompt as make image 1 the same aspect ratio as image 2. And there we have a vertical image. Save the new image and import it here. Write the prompt to modify the image, like filling the pit with tiles. Repeat the process to create images for each stage. Here are some images I created earlier. After that, we can move to the next step. Step 2. Image to video. Now we are heading to Google Flow. Click on New Project and select Frames to Video. Import the images as first and last frame. Again, we want to write the video prompt in the box. You can simply use prompts like fixed shot, time-lapse photography. Some renovation worker are doing something. Select VO 3.1 fast model as start the generation. When it is completed, we can have the epoxy flooring AI videos. Repeat the process to create other clips. Lastly, we can use CapCut or other video editing tools to combine the clips together. And there we have a full video ready for sharing. Alright, that's the share for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.